Hey Sophia, this is Mr. Caslin. We were talking about linear speed and angular speed yesterday, and there's so many different types of problems. I thought I'd take a step back and narrow down the types of problems for you in a couple videos. Let's first look at finding linear speed. Here's an example problem. We have a clock. The second hand of the clock is 10.2 centimeters long, so that looks like a radius. And so we'll mark that radius is equal to 10.2. Now you have to excuse me, I'm writing with a mouse, which I'm not real good at yet, so I'll have to keep practicing. So the radius is 10.2. We're trying to find the linear speed of the tip of the second hand. Remember, linear speed is how fast are you traveling along the edge of your circle. Okay, so linear speed is V is equal to S divided by T. So think of that as an arc length divided by time. Again, how fast are you traveling around the circle over a given time? Okay, so when they give you a radius, we've got to figure out when someone goes one revolution around this clock, or not someone, but when the second hand goes one revolution around this clock, how far are they going? That's related to the circumference of the circle. So in some of these problems, you have to figure out the circumference of the circle first. So we know the circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. Now they gave us r over here, the radius, so the circumference is equal to 2 times pi times your 10.2. So we get 20.4 pi, and then don't forget about, let's keep thinking about what our units for this problem is. Our units is centimeters. So when we go one revolution around this clock, we're going 20.4 pi centimeters. Okay, but remember, it's how far did you go around the circumference of the circle over a given time. So how long does it take the second hand to go all the way around? Well, 60 seconds. So our linear speed is going to be our 20.4 pi divided by 60 seconds. So that's how long it takes the second hand to go around one time, and that answer is approximately 1.068 centimeters per second. Okay, so the first type of problem, we're given a radius and we're asked for the linear speed. So what you have to figure out is how long does it take you, or how far is it around your circle? That's the circumference over a given time. In this case, because it was a clock, we know it took us 60 seconds to travel all the way around, which gives us this linear speed. Okay, now I'll put together a couple of other videos with a couple of other types of problems. Thanks.